Now in this question, assertion is WB plus or plus WB is the file mode. So any point will be taken, any statement will be taken, and the reasoning is it opens the, suppose it is written here, it opens the file in read, write and binary mode. So this is correct. If the file already exists, the content will be overwritten. If the file does not exist, then a new file will be created. So this is a explanation of WB plus, how it works. Clear? So here it is a file mode, or something else will be also written here, and the reasoning. So assertion is the point or the kathan, and reason is the explanation of the statement just given above. It can be the explanation of some other statement. If it is of some other statement, you will write the B option. And here normally by default, normally what we are doing is A and R are true is our first option. R is the correct explanation. But if they change the order also, suppose if they change it, then you just read it carefully and then you tick it. Like in this case, what is the correct answer? Anybody? Both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So here first is the correct option. Now here if I change it, suppose I change it, here WB I am changing it. I will copy it and then I will change it. This I am. Now I have changed it. Instead of WB I am writing here something else. Suppose MB. Yes. Now what is happening? My statement assertion is false and my reasoning is true. So which option is correct answer? This was of the previous one. So this one you remove it. Now assertion is false and reason is true. So this is your correct option. So I am underlining this. Understood? Now next one is I am making, again I am copying it and I am changing the reasoning also. Here assertion also I am changing. Suppose B I am removing. Now when I remove B, then it is a file mode, A is correct. But your reasoning is wrong because here binary is written. Clear? Now which option will be correct in this case? Open your mic, switch on your mic. C option is correct. That is, your assertion is true, but in reasoning you have written binary, so it will be false. Clear? Or you can say, sorry, here I think both are true, but here it is written, no. It means W plus, so it is, R is false. If suppose here instead of it, if WB plus is written here, now both are true. And it is not a correct explanation of A. So now B option will be correct. Like A and R both are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Because here B is written, it is for binary. So this is also true, but it is not for your this point assertion. For this. आ रहा है समझ में? ये ऊपर जो स्टेटमेंट है, ये पॉइंट जो भी असर्शन है, इसको अलग से पढ़ोगे, देखोगे ये सही है कि नहीं, ट्रू फॉल्स लिखोगे. सेकेंड ऑप्शन रीजन को भी अच्छे से पढ़ोगे, जैसे ये रीजन जो है वो ट्रू है, ठीक है, लेकिन ये ऊपर वाले जो असर्शन है उसका रीजनिंग नहीं है. इट इज नॉट द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पॉइंट विच इज गिवन हियर, द असर्शन विच इज गिवन हियर. So now what is happening? Now B is your correct option and not C. But here instead of this WB plus, if it is written, then C is your correct option. पहला ऑप्शन क्या है, ए और आर दोनों ट्रू है और आर उसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन है. सपोज यहाँ पे इट लिखा रहता, ठीक है, और ये बाइनरी को हटा देते हम, तो फिर वो उसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन होता, तो हमारा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सही होता. Second option is when both are true and R is not the correct explanation. Like in this case, both are true and it is not the correct explanation. So I am removing this option and I am marking B option now. B option, I am marking it here. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Clear? आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, miss.
ठीक है. Now I am changing. Now I will show you the other questions also. Like suppose the first question, tell me the answers. You already know what is assertion. Assertion is the statement. It can be from your syllabus. It will be from your syllabus, and reason will be your explanation. So here it is given, open is a method of Python. Open method is used to open a file in Python and it returns a file object called file handle. The file handle is used to transfer data to and from the file by calling the functions defined in the Python's input-output module. Now, which will be your answer here? Option
A.
A option. Since I have copied this from NCERT book only, so I have just pasted it. So this A is correct. Next one, Pickle is a library of Python. This may raise the center of gravity of the boat. Which option?
Option C.
Option C, very good. Option C is correct. Next, Pickle is a library of Python. Reason, yes, we import Pickle and can use functions of Pickle like load, dump, etc. in Python. Option
A.
A, correct. So A option is correct. So once you understand and just read the book and you know what are the different means, if you understand once, then you will not find any problem. Now here this is not of your pickle.head, there is no such function pickle.head, and you don't know the reasoning of this also. So here you will write both are false because your assertion you haven't heard of this head, so you will write both are false. So from your book, any topic can be taken from your book and it can be used as assertion, and the reason will be the explanation. Suppose here it is written file.name returns the name of the file, or mode returns the access mode. Now the explanation will be given to you. If the explanation is correct, you will write. Normally by default, I have seen always the first option is when both are true and R is the correct explanation. And if both are true, R is not the correct explanation, then B you will write. Assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true, and both are false. Now these options can be shuffled. Suppose only 4 options like MCQ will be given to you. You will be given your OMR sheet, and in OMR sheet you have to fill the circles. So in that OMR sheet, if you see only 4 options are given A, B, C, D, then you go through here which options will be given to you in your question paper, and then only you mark it. It is clear what is assertion and reasoning now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this is over.